Do you love shopping online but hate how you have to spend a lot of money? Wouldn't it be exciting if you get paid to shop online? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Get a share of CashG's commission every time you make a purchase online through CashG. With CashG, shopping will be more rewarding than ever. All you need to do is go to www.cashg.com, register your account, and log in. Search for your favorite shopping website on CashG, click on Get Cash Back. You will be redirected to the retailer's website where you can shop normally. Our cash back is applicable on all existing offers and coupons as well. And there you have it. Cash back gets added to your account within 24 hours. Earn cash back on every purchase you make. What's more, you can also earn cash back on mobile and DTH recharges, hotel bookings, flight bookings, and more. You can redeem this cash back to your bank account, add it to your Paytm wallet, or redeem the amount as mobile or DTH recharge or as a gift voucher. Easy as that. CashG is all set to make your shopping experience ever more fun and valuable. Plus, for every friend that you refer, CashG pays you a bonus amount added right to your CashG wallet. So go ahead and log on to www.cashg.com now and start shopping.